Hey, what's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you a fast and easy way to hang a piece of wood, not a traditional picture frame, but a piece of wood that you want to hang on the wall. In this example I have a picture that my daughter drew, a little drawing here. We had a piece of pine and spray painted it white. She drew on top of that and we sealed it up. So first thing you're going to do is obviously take your piece of wood that you want to hang, your piece of art maybe, and we're going to need the following supplies. One of these little guys, a drill bit, and a drill. I'll put a link in the description below for these particular little hook things that you put in the wall, and they are pretty simple to do. So first things first, let's put that drill bit in. Oh, by the way, you'll need a tape measure and a pencil, of course. So we'll put that drill bit in, and we're going to be measuring to find the centerpiece of the wood. In this particular wood, the length is about 17 inches. The camera angle is not going to give you the perfect line up here, but I'm going to put the camera down and make sure that my measurements are really centered and spot on. If your center line is off a little bit, you're going to have a hard time leveling it. Your wood's going to be a little wobbly once you get on there, and it's going to tilt to the left or to the right. All right, so I have my center line, and I'm going to just measure 1 inch down to find my drill point. Now this is kind of an ambiguous point. I thought 1 inch is a nice clean mark. And notice the angle of my drill bit. I'm putting it in not 90 degrees to the wood, but slightly angled up. Okay, I want that to be kind of an upward pointed hole because I want my hook to sit nicely or to seat nicely right there as shown. Let me get that in focus for you. There we go. In other words, you want it to have a place for it to hang. So once your hole is drilled, let's take everything upstairs and we'll look at where we want to put this. Now, here is kind of my idea. I want it centered to the left and to the right. So I'm going to find that center point between the two pictures. Now, obviously, your setup will be a little different, so you'll have to just measure to find that center point horizontally and vertically, however you wish to hang it. Once I have my kind of top line, I can measure 1 inch down. Again, that clean 1 inch number, right? So there's the top where I want my picture to be, and then there's 1 inch down. You can see the little dot there is my entry point for my hook. So these hooks are really nice. Again, I'll put a link down below if you're interested in picking yourself up a set. They just kind of slide in like that. Obviously, if there's a stud behind the wall, not going to work. You need clear drywall. So just tap on that drywall, make sure it's hollow sounding. You can certainly use a stud finder too. And you're just going to adjust, push the hook all the way in, and it will kind of bite up against the back of that drywall and pull up snugly. Now, so snugly that you might need to kind of bang it just a little bit, give it a little encouragement to straighten up. You could use your fingers, but sometimes that might be a little hard. So once that hook's in, we're just going to kind of align our piece of wood with the hole as shown and just kind of slip it on there. You can certainly make a little pencil mark on the top of your wood if you need to help find that, line up that center mark. But I can feel it right there. It is on. Now, a little tip for you, if you are kind of tilting to the left or to the right, bring your piece of wood back to wherever your workshop is and drill out a bigger hole. Make that hole a little more horizontal so that you can easily slide that hook to the left or to the right a little bit and try to center that up a little bit more. So just a little tip there. But as you can see, we are secured, centered, and it's an easy, simple job. So thank you so much. Hopefully this video has been helpful.